If she knows exactly what she wants, then he can come and get it. Hey guys, we're gonna help you look over how to find the perfect engagement ring.
All right, we're looking to pick out engagement rings. How would we start that process?
Obviously, you probably did a little bit of your research. Now that there's given online, I'd ask you what shape stone you're looking for first.
Okay.
Then, how big of the stone do you want it to be? Finding out what shape you like, that will also help me to find you what ring it will match. Every ring is designed to carry every shape.
So you would recommend the fiance coming, or the future fiance coming in and trying it on first, see if they like it, or do you say?
Honestly, it depends on the couple.
Yeah.
Right? It depends, like you and your husband or your boyfriend, you want to upgrade your ring or you want to buy a new ring, right? It depends on you. You want to come together, you want to come separate. I would recommend, if she knows exactly what she wants, then he can come and get it.
Yeah.
Right? If she doesn't know, then she has to, I don't know, show him some pictures maybe or whatever. Every woman that walks into our store, I, as a designer, as a jeweler, as a gemologist, I know more or less already what would fit you. Like from
like that one. Look at that one, the top right. Look.
Yeah,
at that. Imagine that on my finger.
Yeah, that went already.
Sure, every girl would love a
You could
giant
throw it out.
diamond, but
let the public
no.
see, right? No, that's
See, that just looks.
This I would say more or less yes to, like maybe something like this. It fits you more.
Oh yeah, that.
Right?
Oh, I love that.
All right, there you go. Anyone who walks in my store, I more or less have that gift of knowing.
My mother has a pear shape, so that's why I like that.
Nice. I even guess the shape you like.
See, it's all the energy in the.
I guess it works.
It does.
Definitely works.
But like someone who's really on a tight budget, like what's the something simple and easy? Would they be like just a stone? What would you recommend for them? Someone who's on.
Well, nowadays with live diamonds, there's no such thing anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all affordable with the live diamonds. Listen, average price for an engagement ring was before live diamonds, I would say about $7,000 to $8,000.
Oh wow.
Right? More or less.
Yeah.
Right. With the lab, the same thing you could get for $2,500.
Really?
Correct. It depends also what setting.
Of course.
Right.
What would a $2,500 ring? Do you have one that's like kind of comparable? Maybe not exactly $2,500, but
Sure.
them an idea.
Here we go. This is one.
Really?
Yes. So when I say we're specialized, I mean we're specialized. Not
that
yes.
one.
This one is a little bit even less than $2,500.
No way.
Correct. It's $1,900. Prices are unbeatable. Qualities are amazing. And again, don't forget, the energy is exclusive. All right. That is the very most important. Yes. You'll be wearing it always with you. If you understand the meaning of something, you look at it differently. Automatically, psychologically, you look at it differently. But if you understand that you're getting a piece of jewelry, not only just a beautiful luxury piece of jewelry, you're getting something with blessed jewelry.
I can't believe this ring's under 20.
Yes, $1,900, believe it or not.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Now, do engagement rings or anything that, when I say warranty, like if they want to come back and get it cleaned or softened or anything?
Good question. So so when you buy something, it's not just one-time sell and have a nice life.
Yes.
And pray to God for you to come back. No, I don't have to pray to God for you to come back. You'll come back running yourself after you see. So for the first 3 years, we include the center stone, making sure that it's nice and tight. I recommend you to bring it in once or twice a year just to make sure that the center stone is not shaking or moving. You don't want to end up losing it.
Yeah.
All right. So up to 3 years, checking it twice a year, no charge. Even if I have to take the stone out, re-groove it, and etc., no charge. This beautiful ring. What would you guess? This happens to be a D-color and VS1 clarity. What would you guess as a woman?
Are we talking mine or are we talking lead?
This is lab. I'm sorry.
Lab?
Yeah. I'm talking. Listen, if this is mine, we're talking about close to over 100 grand.
Okay.
So yeah, we're talking about lab.
Geez,
I could get you mine as well.
No. Oh my god. I don't know. 20K?
You're good.
I'm good?
You're good.
I'm good?
But I'm better. I'm better because this I'm selling under $10,000. Believe it or not. Wow. And this setting is 18 karat white gold with mine diamonds around it. Right? Which is the center stone is lab.
So this ring right here, since it's lab, would only under $10,000.
Correct. All right, so guys, come grab it and take advantage. We do package deals all the time. Even if you buy one item from us, it's considered as a package deal, right? If you buy more than one, that's discount on top of a discount. Tell me something in this world here that you gain back 70 to 75% of your money. Nothing but real estate. Even that has its own cycle,
Yeah.
right? Anything you buy, whatever it is usually, right? So over here you get back up to 75%, maybe even 80% of your money if you want to come and upgrade it. Every few years, style changes, you want to go bigger on the stone or whatever the reason is. So you get back up to 80% of your money towards the next purchase.